Hi there, my name is Alexander Schneider. This is the second competency in my for my PLA for CAD 1100 for uh, print reading. This one will be going over the use of line weights for a graphic presentation. So line weights typically, of course, this can change company to company and even sometimes change within a company based on which field they're going in, such as electrical and whatnot. But line weights are typically used to show the importance of something. The bigger the line weight, the more important it is. For example, an exterior, what's representing an exterior wall, will tend to have a thicker line weight than an interior wall. All right. So how you add line weights to drawing is one of two ways. One, you can come to these layer properties and edit these line weights here, as you can see. Or if you want one still on one of these, but at a specific line weight, you can click on a line and then come up here and change this. Now you'll see this is on by layer, or if I set it to default, which was the smallest, you can see nothing's changed. But if I go up to the max, you'll notice it also doesn't change. So and that's because I currently have the display off. If you want to turn that on, you do LW display, just like that. Now you turn it to on. You'll see that line will thicken up to that ultra thick line that I had set it to earlier. Here's a good case of how important line weights can be in a drawing. Right now I have line weights once again turned off because it is much easier to see what is happening. This is a small shed that I made. You may actually recognize this shed if you have seen my other PLA for CAD 1110. It's built in the the same manner or a similar manner. But if I turn off line weights, which is new line weights display, turn it on, you can see suddenly a bunch of the lines will fatten up, especially very specifically the walls. Now you can see in here how the walls have become much thicker. As such, it shows that they have more importance. And the studs have gone smaller, same as, or not smaller, but are uh, smaller than the walls. And this is why line lights are very important because it shows how important those walls are. Those are load-bearing walls in the shed. So, well, they're the only walls in the shed, so of course they're load-bearing. Of course, we do uh, W. Nope, not what I meant to do. Line weights, and then this one. Yep, display. And turn it off again. Just when it's this thin, it's much easier to work with. That's why a lot of times you have it off while drawing and then turn it on when you want to see how it looks.